In the bustling arena of hairstyling, where every curl and wave is a brushstroke in the canvas of personal expression, the unsung hero often overlooked is the humble hairdryer. But fear not, for in the world of organization and convenience, the Elegance's hairdryer haven emerges as the savior you didn't know you needed, your stylish sanctuary for styling success. Imagine a haven where your trusty hairdryer isn't just an appliance, but a revered tool, always at arm's reach, ready to transform your locks into a masterpiece. The Elegance's hairdryer haven isn't just a holder. It's a statement piece, a symphony of functionality and style designed to elevate your grooming routine. Let's start with design, for the Elegance's is not just a utilitarian device, it's a work of art. Crafted from high-quality materials, its sleek contours and elegant finish make it a standout addition to your bathroom or vanity. It doesn't just hold your hairdryer, it cradles it with sophistication, turning your styling space into a sanctuary of aesthetic delight. But what truly sets the Elegance's apart is its functionality. This holder isn't just a hook on the wall. It's a versatile companion in your styling endeavors. Equipped with adjustable brackets, it accommodates hairdryers of various sizes and shapes, ensuring that your preferred tool fits snugly in its embrace. It's not just a holder, it's a custom-made perch for your styling sidekick. It doesn't limit itself to hairdryers alone, it accommodates other styling tools like curling irons and straighteners. The cleverly designed compartments ensure that all your styling essentials are within arm's reach, creating a centralized station for your grooming arsenal. It's not just a hairdryer holder, it's a styling command center. Now, let's explore the practical aspects. The Elegance's isn't just about aesthetics, it's about functionality. The heat-resistant materials ensure that your holder stands up to the demands of frequent styling sessions. The cord organizer feature keeps your counter free of clutter, maintaining the serenity of your styling sanctuary. It's not just a holder, it's a solution to the common pitfalls of styling tool storage. But what about the details? The Elegance's hairdryer haven doesn't just stop at holding your hairdryer, it pampers it. The specially designed holster prevents scratches and dings, preserving the integrity of your styling tool. That's it for today. Do not forget to like,